Hey guys, welcome back to Love Truck Garage. Well, today we're going to get the 72 ready to get its new windshield put in. Let's go. Those old glass packs are really starting to sound raspy. Well, dang, I got a brake light out. My old windshield doesn't really have any cracks, but it has a pretty good wiper scratch on the passenger side. On top of that, the old seal is hard and really dried out. New windshields for LUVs are pretty hard to find, and I'm going to hang on to my old one so I have a spare. Well, it's taken me a while to find a place that'll do the windshield for me, but let's go ahead and get everything out of the way. I went ahead and pulled the wiper arms, the sun visors, the rear view mirror, and the dash cover. I just want to get everything out of the way. Then I gave the dash a quick wipe down. I decided to pull the wiper cowl off to give them plenty of room to work. Alright, she's all set and ready to go to the glass shop. Star Windshield was the only company in town that was willing to give it a try. They have a great reputation, but I was still a little bit nervous when I dropped it off. Well, she's all back together. Let's see how she looks. I had heard that these new seals from Thailand were a little bit smaller than the factory ones, and it's true. There's a little bit of a gap on the bottom of the windshield on each side. The seal is about 1/8 of an inch smaller than the factory one all the way around, and you can really notice it at the top. I already needed to repaint my roof after I installed the sunroof, so I was planning on it anyway. The seal itself is pretty nice, and really a pretty quality part. If you already have a nice paint job, just be prepared because it's not going to line up where the factory seal was. I was kind of expecting it, so I wanted to get the windshield put in before I repainted my roof. It's just another future project for the LUV. There were no issues with the inside of the truck, and it really looks great. My new windshield was an aftermarket windshield, and it had been around for a while. The glass shop told me that the new windshield weighed quite a bit less than the old one did. They figured that the old windshield was an OEM factory windshield. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the windshield and the new seal also. The new windshield's not perfect. It's got a few blemishes from sitting around a shop for many years. But heck, it's good enough for this old LUV. It's no show truck, just a cruiser. If you're still hanging out, I really do appreciate it, and please like and subscribe. And don't forget, t-shirts, hoodies, and trucker hats at lovetruckgarage.com.